My name's Elan Davies and I'm the Technical Officer for South Wales on the Arwain DGC project, which aims to promote the responsible use of antimicrobials and to address antimicrobial resistance in the agricultural sector here in Wales. Our main role as technical officers will be to work with 12 proof of concept farms, a mix of dairy, beef and sheep farms from across Wales to trial a range of different novel technologies or innovative ideas with the aim of reducing antimicrobial usage, exploring biosecurity and precision agricultural solutions. We'll be working closely with the farmers and the vets to achieve this, and we'll be sharing the results with you throughout the duration of the project. Precision farming technologies offer great potential to continuously monitor animal health and welfare to allow earlier detection of diseases, as well as targeted treatment that can prevent needless antimicrobial applications, which could otherwise encourage antimicrobial resistance development. Technologies can also allow monitored animals to be more readily identified and separated to prevent disease spread, further reducing antimicrobial treatments. These technologies include behaviour trackers such as accelerometers, which have strong roles in improving general animal welfare. We're here today at Trawsgoed Farm, one of Aberystwyth University's farms, who have made significant changes to the system over the last few years, improving overall animal health and welfare through the implementation of precision agricultural technology. One of these changes is moving to an automatic calf feeding system, as you can see here. Changes to an individual animal's normal behaviour can often indicate the early onset of disease. Alerts generated from these can be used to make strategic management changes on farms to combat factors causing diseases and illness. The previous feed regime with the calves here at Trawsgoed saw problems with pneumonia. However, since moving to this new automatic feeder, pneumonia cases have been near on non-existent.